After a really long day, it's nice to relax through the postural muscles of the spine. So how we start this particular exercise is lying on your back. What you do is you then take the foam roller and place it underneath the lower spine. Okay. So from here, you want to come up slightly into an upward position. Normally starting out is quite tense after a long day, so you want to add the pressure very, very gently. Lifting up the buttocks slightly and then allowing the body to just roll over with that lower spine into the area. So it's really nice because the amount you drop down determines the amount of pressure going through the lower spine. If you've got a lot of tightness at the base, you can hold it in that position, almost like a bit of inhibition, so pressure into the muscle that's tight and then gently relaxing down. Good, and you can start to roll over it a couple of times. I would say normally come 10 to 15 times, just letting that body relax. We can now move into the upper back area. So for this one, we want to gently lift up through the pelvis again, hands up by the head, and then rock the body all the way down, and then all the way back over the foam roller. So you're relaxing the muscles between the shoulders and then up into the thoracic erector spinae, so your postural muscles that are slightly higher. Good, aiming between 10 to 15 rolls. And again, if it's tight, just holding that position, so just adding a bit of inhibition as you're relaxing through.